Check your recent subscribers. You can view a list of your most recent subscribers on the channel dashboard. You can also check your subscriber count over time in YouTube Studio. View your recent subscribers. Sign in to YouTube Studio. On the dashboard, find the Recent Subscribers card. Click See All to expand the card. Tip: from the top, you can choose a time frame and sort the list by subscriber count. Which subscribers are shown? Subscribers show on your recent subscribers list if they chose to make their subscriptions public. They subscribed to your channel in the last 28 days. Which subscribers are not shown? Subscribers may not show on your recent subscribers list if they chose to keep their subscriptions private. Their account is suspended or identified as spam. Subscriber FAQs. We sometimes hear questions from the YouTube community about how subscribers work. Does YouTube automatically unsubscribe viewers from channels? Do all of my videos show up in my subscribers' subscription feeds? Every video that you publish as a creator is shown in your subscribers' subscriptions feeds by default. However, there's an advanced setting you can use when publishing a video to stop it showing in any subscriptions feeds. Some creators who publish daily videos use this setting to strategically show only certain videos in the subscriptions feed. When you upload a video, we publish it to the subscriptions feed as fast as we can. Usually, it should take only a few minutes or less. Making this work as fast as possible is a huge priority for the subscriptions team. In the last 6 months, we've cut down publishing time by 2/3. Why are my subscribers telling me my videos aren't showing up in their subs feed? Unless you change your distribution options, we publish every video to the subscriptions feed. When we hear complaints from viewers that they aren't seeing videos there, it's usually for one of two reasons. If you're subscribed to many channels, it's easy to miss something. Many viewers have dozens, even hundreds, of subscriptions. Sometimes, the video you're looking for may be hard to find among lots of other subscription videos. If channels you're subscribed to post often, it's possible that older videos will not show in the subscriptions feed. It's important to note that although all videos show in the subscriptions feed, they don't all show in the Home tab. The Home tab shows videos that we think you as a viewer are most interested in watching right now. It isn't guaranteed that videos from your subscriptions will show up there. If it seems like something else is happening, you can send us feedback and we'll look into it. How does YouTube count subscribers? Do closed accounts count toward my subscriber count? When someone closes their Google account entirely, they don't exist on YouTube anymore, so they don't count toward your subscriber count. You can see how many of your subscribers deleted their accounts in your channel's YouTube analytics, where they're counted as closed accounts. Closed accounts don't count toward your subs. Learn more about subscriber counts. Do spam accounts count toward my subscriber count? When we find that an account is spammy, it doesn't count toward your total number of subscribers. These accounts are not unsubscribed from your channel. To that account, it still shows that they're subscribed and they continue to get your videos in their subscriptions feed. We don't unsubscribe spam viewers from channels. Learn more about subscriber counts. Why is my subscriber count changing or dropping? Generally, it's common to see fluctuations in your subscriber count. If it seems that your subscriber count has changed or dropped, it could be for one of these reasons. Viewers are subscribing and unsubscribing to your channel normally. We've removed spam subscribers from your channel. If impacted, you'll get an alert in YouTube Studio. We've removed closed accounts from your channel. The affected accounts could have been closed by the user or terminated by YouTube due to a policy violation. If subscriber changes seem like they're outside the average fluctuation rate, it could be due to a known issue. If you believe you're experiencing a problem outside the average rate of subscriber count fluctuations, you can report an issue.